a pleasant day. So all our listeners, you are turned into the Tech Rescue Hub. I am your host, Princess Angel Alagkawili. We all know that laptops are essential for our daily lives. But what happens when they fail us? And because life, just like tech, can be complicated, I'll be sharing some heart-to-heart reflections along the way. Let's get started. Second, when your laptop overheats after a few minutes, you'll notice the bottom getting very hot and the fan making a loud noise. This is caused by dust buildup in the vents or dried up thermal paste on the processor. Your troubleshooting step is to use compressed air to blow out the dust from the cooling vents. The solution is a deep cleaning of the fan and reapplying thermal paste. Safety reminder, do not block the vents by placing the laptop on a bed or pillow. Kapag masyado nang heated o mainit ang sitwasyon sa isang toxic na relasyon, kailangan mo munang lumayo at magpalamig bago ka tuluyang ma-burn out. There you have it. 8 laptop fixes and a little bit of life advice to keep you going. Whether it's a broken screen or a broken heart, there's always a way to fix it. Or better yet, a way to move forward. Once again, I am Princess Angel Alagkawili. Thank you for listening to the Tech Rescue Hub. Stay smart, stay guarded, and stay connected. Goodbye.